How can you get more sales referrals? Hey, my name is Rob Spence, the Managing Director of Paragon Sales Solutions. Welcome to another hints, tips and advice video. Every week we are sharing our best hints and tips and advice on sales, marketing and all things business growth. If you have stumbled across this video, thank you and welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, drop us a follow, drop a comment below, like the video, share it with your colleagues and friends. You're in for a wild ride. Now, one of the big questions I'm ever asked when I'm delivering my sales training or I'm working with my sales consultancy clients is, Rob, how do I get more sales referrals? And it's one we're going to quickly go through here. Now, for me, sales referrals are crucial to the growth of any business, and it doesn't matter whatever it is you're selling. Now, a referral to me, my definition is when you proactively ask your customers, either present or former, and ask them if they can pass you on to anyone that they know. This develops a great way of feeding into your sales pipeline and generating more sales. So what are the top tips? Well, first and foremost, my number one tip is if you aren't asking for referrals or don't know how to ask for referrals, drop in for some sales training with myself, whether that be one-to-one or through my new online sales training platform. Head on over to paragonsales.co.uk, get some sales training, invest in sales training for your team. Trust me, the return on investment is crucial. The second tip is to build relationships. Now, my big thesis on sales is the more you develop a relationship, the more you're going to sell. I wrote a whole book on it called Relationship Selling. You can go head on over to Amazon and you can see it for yourself. The more you develop relationships with your customers and your prospects, the easier it is to ask for referrals. If you ask for a referral from someone whom you don't have a good relationship with, the likelihood of it is they're going to say no or be less inclined to pass that referral on to you. Referrals are all built on trust, and it's a two-way trust. So if you've got that relationship in place, people are more likely to pass people your way. The other way to go about it is to focus on quality. Don't just scattergun. If you send an email out to every 100 people you know saying, hey, can I have a referral please? It makes you look desperate and it doesn't really value the relationship. So instead of having a scattergun approach, go for the quality over quantity. You're going to get a much better response there on in. Of course, another way of generating referrals is to offer some form of incentive. Now, you can either do that as a referral by referral basis, hey, look, I've got a great referral for you, but can you pass on my way as well? Or, hey, listen, for every referral you pass over, we'll send you an Amazon gift card, we'll knock 20% off your next bill, whatever it is. You can offer incentives. Now, those incentives should be enough to entice and attract and excite your prospect to hand you that referral, but that won't do anything unless you do the next step that I'm about to tell you now. And that next step is simply ask for the referral. It's amazing how many people I work with and they just don't ask. And they know it's important and they know that they should do it and they just don't ask for the referral. Make it part of your sales process. Put it as a step-by-step guide. Once this happens and a period of time closes, we are going to ask for that referral. Trust me, what's the worst thing that can happen? A prospect says, no, sorry, I don't know anyone that could use you, or no, so I'm not really into doing that kind of thing. What's the worst thing that's going to happen? They're not necessarily going to take their business away from you, but what's the best thing that can happen? Yeah, absolutely. Look, here's my phone. Take my phone, take whatever number you need from it, and we'll set up a meeting. I tell you what, I'm not going to send you a referral. I'm going to take you out for dinner with 5 of my best friends, all of whom in business, and let's refer you that way. That's the best thing, right? So if you're watching this video and you aren't asking for referrals, do it now and you'll see your sales increase. Thank you so much for taking the time to watching this video. As I said earlier on, hit that subscribe, hit that like, hit that share. Let's share these videos as far and wide as possible. If you do want more hands-on sales support or advice, head on over to paragonsales.co.uk or send me a message on here and let's start a conversation about how we can help you. Until next time, all the best.